Hello guys, this is Hard Reset. And what if your Revolut not working? If transactions aren't showing, card isn't connecting, or the app freezes, do this. First of all, restart your application. Then, check your permissions. Allow some if it's needed. Then check your internet connection. If it works properly, then try to reinstall your application. Then open it, and if previous options didn't help you, just try to reboot your phone. Turn it off and then turn it on, and it will help you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.